Guys, the Dow Jones Industrial is down over 300 points by the time of this video. That is down 1% from today, and Bitcoin is up 3.68% by the time of the video. We're going to discuss how Bitcoin has broken out this symmetrical triangle and is just about to arrive to our target that we were discussing in the last few days, which is the $12,000 levels. And also we're going to discuss some different price targets in the next few weeks, which are extremely bullish. So guys, put your moon boots on because we're off. Also, in today's news, we're talking Raoul Pal delivers ominous stock market warning, says Bitcoin offers rare chance to beat Wall Street. All this in today's episode. Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do your own research. Guys, the price of the Dow Jones is currently dumping really hard by the time I'm doing this video. I will show you since this morning at 9 o'clock European time, the Dow Jones was at 28,670 points and has gone down over 470 points right now. It is still dumping. That is more than 1.6%. This is a huge amount of percentage in the traditional markets, and Bitcoin is currently in the green over 3.28% now. As you can see in the chart, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. We're currently having a small correction, but I think we'll be arriving to the $12,000 levels in the next few hours or even next couple of days. And when we arrive to the $12,000 levels, I think we're going to dance around this area. I think we're going to be, a few hours or a few days around this area. We've broken this symmetrical triangle. So definitely the next stop is the $12,000 levels, which is heavy resistance. We can see multiple points here we've been touching, and we couldn't break this. It was a fake out. We couldn't break this area. So we're definitely in an uptrend. Our next stop is the 12,000. I do not think that the price is going to come down and retest again the 11,200 yet. First, I think we need to touch the $12,000 before we retest the 11,200 support, because we're in an uptrend and that is our next stop. If we dance around these $12,000 levels and manage to do a breakout to the upside, I believe so that our next stop, I'll show you in the daily chart, our next stop is going to be the $13,000 levels, more about 13,400, as you can see here in the charts where these two peaks are. So that's going to be our next stop. And if we break that area in the next month or next 2 months, guys, after that we're going to the target of the all-time highs, which is the $19,000 levels. We're in an uptrend. This is our direction. We broke the symmetrical triangle, as you can see here. We broke out of it, bounced up from the support, which was the resistance in the past, and we're going up, guys. So I'm expecting to arrive at the all-time highs. If it's not in December, definitely January or February at the latest. Guys, in today's news, we're talking Raoul Pal delivers ominous stock market warning, says Bitcoin offers rare chance to beat Wall Street. Raoul Pal, co-founder and CEO of Real Vision Group, says Wall Street may be heading toward a brutal breakdown. The former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager says investors should pay attention to key chart that suggests the recent stock market rally may come to an abrupt and painful ending. I kind of think that there's the underlying narrative and we're transitioning from hope to insolvency. Just remember, if you look at the last chart, this is the rally now versus the rally in 1929. It kind of peaked out around these levels and this time. Also, there was a secondary rally in 2001 into 2002 I remember it well. That was the hope phase rally of that. There was an earlier hope phase back in 2011 as well. That one peaked out after about 6 months, so the timing is around here. And checking the chart here, rally approaching when 1929 to 30 and the 2001 to 2002 bulls ended. As you can see on the chart, look at the huge dump that we had here in 1929, and then correcting back up, trying to recover, and then afterwards peaked out and then straight back down again. As you can see, we can also see in the 2001 and 2002 after the huge dump, then coming back up and then peaking out here and going straight back down again. Well, we've got a similar correlation here. In the 2020, huge dump to the downside, coming up, and it seems like we're peaking out now just before the dump. So there's huge correlation of the crisis. So will history repeat itself? As we can see here in the charts, there is a similarity, there is a huge correlation. So from the other crises, there has been a bounce back from the huge dump and then back to the upside and then crashing straight down after that. Let me know in the comment section if you think the markets are going to continue going to the downside. Guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Feel free to look at the Bitcoin Sensors website. You've got fantastic tutorials, how to buy Bitcoin, how to store Bitcoin, where to trade Bitcoin. It is fantastic. You've got great information on the website. I'll be leaving the link in the description. If you like the content, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.